Luxury has evolved, and elegance has turned brutal. Meet the 2026 Cadillac Escalade by Larte Design, luxury SUV transformed into a street-dominating beast. This isn't just an update, it's a complete reinvention. Forget everything you thought you knew about prestige. Tonight, we rewrite the rules. Larte Design strips away softness and replaces it with dominance. Every line is sharper, every panel is wider, every detail is engineered to intimidate. We start with a custom Larte carbon fiber widebody kit that completely redefines the Escalade's silhouette. The massive blacked-out grille features an illuminated Cadillac crest, a beacon in the dark. Below it, an aggressive front splitter cuts through the air, while the sculpted hood hints at the power lurking beneath. Extended side skirts and dramatically flared wheel arches house enormous 24-inch forged black wheels, giving it an undeniable stance. Around back, the quad exhaust with carbon tips doesn't just complete the look, it announces your departure with authority. This Escalade doesn't just arrive, it conquers. Under the hood lies raw American muscle. A supercharged V8 engine delivers a tidal wave of torque, ready to be unleashed at a moment's notice. This isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about effortless, overwhelming power. This immense force is paired with an adaptive air suspension that masterfully balances brutality with control. It can hunker down for aggressive driving, or glide over imperfections for a sublime ride. Combined with the confidence of all-wheel drive, you have a machine that's as agile as it is imposing, ready for any road, in any condition. Step inside, and the exterior's brutality fades into pure, unadulterated luxury. This is not just an SUV. Interior, it's a private jet on wheels. Your command center is wrapped in custom Larte leather upholstery, with intricate contrast stitching that highlights every contour. Real carbon fiber trim flows across the dashboard and doors, complemented by a soft Alcantara headliner. The centerpiece is the stunning, curved old dashboard that spans the entire cabin, a seamless wall of information and entertainment. Ambient lighting, customizable in deep red or ice blue, sets the mood. In the back, executive rear seating with individual screens ensures every passenger experiences first-class comfort. Every surface feels premium. Every seat feels powerful. Technology in this Escalade isn't just smart, it's cinematic. That massive curved OLED display offers crystal-clear graphics and intuitive controls. The augmented reality navigation overlays directions onto a live view of the road, so you never miss a turn. And the AKG premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering sound with incredible depth and clarity. Whether you're navigating the city or enjoying a long journey, this SUV keeps you connected, entertained, and in absolute comfort. Power means nothing without control. The Escalade by Larte Design is equipped with a fortress of advanced driver assistance systems to protect, assist, and help you dominate every road. The head-up display projects critical information right onto the windshield. A 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view for maneuvering in tight spaces. Night vision can detect pedestrians and animals in the dark long before your headlights do. And features like adaptive cruise control make long-distance travel effortless and secure. It's confidence at any speed. This SUV is not built for blending in. It's built for leaders, for visionaries, for those who command attention without asking for it. When you arrive at a luxury hotel, a private airstrip, or a red carpet event, the world stops and takes notice. It's a vehicle that communicates authority and success. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade by Larte Design is more than a luxury SUV. It's a declaration of power, presence, and prestige. Luxury just got brutal. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more.